Hello everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day. I want to welcome you out to Jay's Learning School right here on my YouTube channel, where I have the opportunity to teach you English and help you to improve how you speak English. Today is going to be a quick video as I'm excited. I'm going to teach you other ways to say hello or hi. You know, when you greet someone that you know, oftentimes we just say hello or hi. But I'm going to give you 6 ways in today's video that you can greet someone without saying hello or hi. So we're going to have some fun today in this quick video. So let's get into today's lesson. Our first way that we can greet someone without saying hello or hi is by simply saying, "What's up?" Let's pretend that we're talking to someone that we know by the name of Jerry, someone we work with, a friend or family member, and we see them and we don't want to say hi or hello. We can greet them by saying, "What's up? What's up, Jerry? What's up, Jerry? What's up, Jerry?" Now, I would not recommend using these greetings to someone that is an authority figure or someone you don't know that well. But if it's someone that you know casually or someone you're close to, these would be perfect to use. So the first one is, "What's up?" Let's go to our second one. Our second way of greeting someone without saying hello or hi is by asking them, "What's going on?" "What's going on, Jerry? What's going on, Jerry? What's going on, Jerry?" What's going on? Our third way to greet someone without saying hello or hi, "It's good to see you." It's good to see you. "Man, it's good to see you, Jerry. It's good to see you, Jerry." And Jerry would reply, "Same here. It's good to see you as well. It's good to see you, Jerry." That is a great way that you could greet someone without saying hello or hi. Our fourth way of greeting someone without saying hello or hi is by saying, "It's been a while." It's been a while. It's been a while. You haven't seen them in a day, 2 days, 2 months, 2 years. Jerry comes up, "Hey, Jerry, it's been a while." That's a great salutation or a great way that you could greet someone without saying hello or hi. Now, I've got 2 more ways that you can greet someone, number 5 and number 6. Now, before we get to it, as always, I want to invite you to become a subscriber to my channel. I upload videos often throughout the week to help you improve your English, and your subscription, just take a second to subscribe, would really let me know that you are enjoying the content, and going the extra mile by giving me a like if you learned something will help other people to learn about the channel. So please, if you would, and you're learning, having a good time, hit that like and that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Let's go to our 5th way to learn how to greet someone without saying hi or hello. Our 5th way is by asking them, "How have you been?" How have you been? How have you been, Jerry? Or you can say it real fast, "How you been, Jerry?" Or take out the have. "How you been, Jerry? How you been, Jerry? How have you been?" And so that would give Jerry the opportunity to tell you how he's been. "Man, I've been doing good. I got a new job. Man, I'm doing well. My kids are in school, and my son, my eldest son, he just graduated." So it gives them an opportunity to tell you about their day or how they have been since they have last seen you. Our last way to greet someone without saying hi or hello is one of my favorites, "What's good with you?" "What's good with you, Jerry?" That gives him an opportunity to tell you what's been good, what has been positive in his life, what's been going on in his life that he would like to share with you. "Man, I'm going to tell you what's been good. My daughter just had a baby. I'm a grandparent now." "What's been good with you?" "Hey, man, I got a new car." That gives him another opportunity to tell you something positive or what's been good in his life. So 6 ways that you can greet someone without saying hi or hello. What's up? What's going on? It's good to see you. It's been a while. How have you been? And of course, my favorite, what's good with you? I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson right here on Jay's Learning School. As always, I am so grateful that you have taken time out of your busy schedule to watch today's video. If you like it, if you learned something, please hit that like button. That would really help the channel out. And if you want more videos like this, hit that subscribe button so you can continue to get more content that I upload throughout the week. And if you have a comment, question, you can leave it down in the comment section. Well, I hope you join me on my next video. Again, thank you so much for watching Jay's Learning School, and I hope you join me next time. Have a wonderful day, and God bless you.